Understanding Backup Utility, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, backup utility. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of backup utility. Backup utility is a compound noun made up of two words, backup and utility. First, let's understand each word separately. Backup. This word refers to making a copy of something, especially for safety or preservation. In technology, it means creating a copy of data stored on a computer or device. Utility. In general English, utility means usefulness or something designed for a specific function. In the context of computers, it refers to a program or software designed to perform a specific task. Now, when we combine these words, backup utility refers to a software program designed specifically for creating copies of data stored on a computer or device. These copies are made for the purpose of recovering the original data in case it's lost, damaged, or corrupted. Let's see some examples to understand how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. I use a backup utility to secure my important files. Here, the speaker is talking about using a software program to make copies of their important files. 2. It's crucial to have a reliable backup utility in case of system failure. In this sentence, the emphasis is on the importance of having a backup program to protect data against system failures. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, backup utility. It's a handy term, especially in the digital world where safeguarding our data is crucial. Remember, learning English is an exciting journey, and we're here to make it fun and informative. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.